This salad spinner from OXO is without question the most memorable and best gift I have ever gotten from my mother-in-law. I want to share that because she really impressed me when she got me this salad spinner, and I use it all the time. Had it for quite a few years now and still absolutely love it. And let me tell you why this salad spinner is my favorite. Main reason? This stainless steel bowl. It actually is a beautiful bowl on its own. It has this silicone bottom so it doesn't wiggle around on your surfaces and it doesn't scratch anything or have loud clanging noises when you put it down. And if you're looking to reduce your cleaning at the end of the night, you can serve up a salad in the bowl on its own. And yes, it is just a stainless steel bowl, but it's a very nice stainless steel bowl, and it will still look great on your dinner table as is. Now, as for spinning, I use it for all of my fresh greens from the garden and anything I buy from the store. Just toss it in the strainer, rinse it out, put it in the bowl on top of the little hook there, little tip. And then this piece actually comes apart. I want to show you that because it's easy to clean that way. So you can take it apart, clean it really quick, just pops back together for the spinner. Stick that on. Oh, it's in. There we go. Stick it on. And then up here you have the lock to pull up the button, and then this will stop it if you need to stop it immediately. Like any salad spinner, just start spinning. It spins very fast. It's my kids' favorite thing to do at dinner. And when you're done, you can just stop it immediately. Lock it up, and you're good to go. Everything's spun inside. Pull it out. Take out your freshly spun greens. Dump out the water. Do it as many times as you need until everything's perfectly clean. And then, like I said, I'll usually just put it back in this bowl and make my salad from there. So if you are looking for a fantastic salad spinner, I cannot recommend this one enough.